So today I wanted to share with you what I do on a regular basis when I am in a rush, which is most of the times. So let's quickly get started. So whenever I'm in a rush in the morning, all I do is spot concealer. I do not apply foundation and all of that. So for concealer, I'm just going to use my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm going to hide my dark circle and spots wherever I feel that I need it. And I'm going to use very little amount of product, because I do not have the time to sit and blend so much out. So I'm just gonna take like one pump in the back of my hand, and with my fingers I'm just gonna spread it out. So as you guys could see that I have a lot of dark circles and I need to look awake in the morning. So that is the reason I just conceal my dark circles. And then I just spot conceal like right here, right here, right here. And just a little bit around my mouth, because I'm a little bit darker right here. And around my nose, because as you guys can see, there's redness there. So I just like to even that out. And then just with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend everything out super quickly. I'm just gonna set the concealer with my Fit Me Loose powder. Now this is a very lightweight powder, so I just dust it very lightly onto my face just to set the concealer so that it does not move during the day. And I just set everything with a brush. And next I do my brows, and the quickest way to do my brows is with a eyebrow powder and an angled brow brush. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this darker brown shade right here, and I'm just gonna shape my eyebrows. So basically I just like to fill it in and make it a little bit darker. Nothing too bold or anything of that sort, just a little bit. That's all I like to do. And then once my eyebrows are done, now I know that my face is looking too flat. I need to make it look a little bit more healthier and alive. So all I do is just take my lipstick, whichever I'm gonna wear that day, and I'm gonna be using this as my blush. This is like the quickest thing that I do in the morning, just to add some color to my face. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. The one which I'm using right now is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Leon. These work very well as lipsticks as well as blushes, because they like blend so fast. And I just spread that with my fingers itself, because I do not have the time to sit and take a brush and blend that out. So do you see that? It just adds a very natural flush to my face. I do not go like very heavy-handed. I just want it to look very natural. Just patting it and blending it out. Patting and blending, and these blend very beautifully. They're not patchy. So do you see that? Now it's added a flush to my face. So after this, I just apply highlighter. Now I want glow back to my face. I cannot go on without highlighter. So for highlighter, I just grab whatever is there. Today I grabbed the Love You So Mochi by NYX. Now these are some of the highlighters which are there in my everyday drawer. So these are the good ones which I use on a regular basis. So I'm just gonna use this shade right here with my fingers itself, and I'm just gonna pat it onto my highest points of my cheeks. And when I'm doing such a natural makeup, I make sure that my highlighter is not that blending. I just want it to look naturally glowy, like you can see. And And then I add the same highlighter in my inner corners as well, just to make me look a little bit awake. And whatever is left, I'm just gonna apply it on my nose, just a little bit. Also, then I'm gonna apply my lipstick. I usually apply my lipstick when I'm applying my blush itself, but I forgot about it. And then whatever time I have left with me, I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm gonna keep applying mascara unless my time is done. You see, mascara makes such a huge difference. So yeah, this is how I get ready when I am in a rush. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So yeah, now I'm gonna go, and I'll see you all in my next video, guys. So until then, bye.